Broadcasting from my tiniest greenhouse here, but yet the one that seemed to produce the most fruit, right? Look at those fruits. But look at this. I left my mom to water this. She was like, I can't even get in here. And to which I laughed because I thought that was kind of funny. But yeah, actually, you gotta like crawl down the middle here. Hands and knees, this one. This little triangle one. So, and I should pull some of these down and look at all the condensation out there. It is raining. It's raining in the rainforest. So I was thinking about picking some of my fruit as it will probably just rot here. I'm gonna tie that up. Okay, so I'm in a big rush here, but this is my quick little greenhouse. I'm pretty proud of it, right? And then you gotta get down. You gotta get right down in here so you can crawl down the ground and hope that you don't run into any spiders, right? Isn't that cool? Won't that be something when you get to live in your own greenhouse? No, there's probably like mouse on the ground here. It's probably not that great. I'm not really that earthy. I just like to grow food. All right, watch. Woo! This means that a lot of my fruit will probably rot, so I'm gonna tie it over. All right, thanks for watching. Greenhouse. When you make a tiny greenhouse, it's cool though, right? Yeah, it's cool. I'm such a hoarder for food. I love hoarding food that I grew myself. It's